I hope I was dealing with which how many points are over? 5 points. Yeah, this one has to be explained. Direct taxes are economical. What do you mean by economical? Yeah, cost of collection is less. You are right. The main reason for direct taxes, because very few people are only paying direct tax in India. For your information, let us take the case attendance लिया या नहीं लिया ना? एक paper में लो. Put the date, class, start with that. So economic, comparing to indirect tax, direct taxes, the number of people who are paying is very less. And cost of collection is less because income tax is directly deducted from the salary. Okay, corporate tax, company directly file it. So the cost of collection is comparatively less. Now let us discuss the demerits of direct taxes. What are the demerits of direct taxes? First one, it is arbitrary. Arbitrary. Children, what do you mean by arbitrary? Arbitrary means there are no fixed rule for that. That's the meaning. No fixed rule. No fixed rule. I will tell you the example. In India, when your income is less than 2,50,000 rupees, you don't have to pay the income tax. India, when your income is, annual income is less than 2,50,000. That is approximately, you can say that 12,000 monthly income, approx. 12,000 or 20,000? 20,000. Yes, 20,000. When your income is less than 20,000, you don't have to pay the income tax. The question arises, from where this 2,50,000 figure has come? It's an arbitrary figure. There is a lot of demand which is coming from the middle class people, increase the limit of income tax. Similarly, those who are getting 10 lakh and above, they have to pay 30% tax. So this amount, or this rate is quite arbitrary. Sometimes it becomes very high. I told you, America, California is the richest state in US. Because California means there is the Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley is also known as Bay Area, B-A-Y. Bay Area, that means all world topmost billionaires, millionaires and their companies are all in Bay Area. Starting from Google, Amazon, Microsoft, LinkedIn, all line to line, you can see all the companies. And there the tax rate is 30 to 40%. Agreed. Because you are getting very high income, you pay the tax. But whereas in the case of a country like India, these tax rates are slightly high. And government does lot of things, lot of changes, but they don't do anything relating to income tax. आप कभी भी देखो इनकम टैक्स के उधर चेंजेस बहुत कम आता है. What is the main reason? That is a fixed income to the government. Salaried people have to pay the tax, and the number of salaried people in India is less comparing to the other people. So it is totally arbitrary. Arbitrary मतलब ऐसा कोई fixed rules and regulations नहीं है. Randomly they have fixed the amount. That is the meaning. This is the main point, what you will have to understand. Second point, it is a tax on honesty. Ye dekho. This is the excellent point even I wanted to emphasize, even you will agree with me. It's a tax on honesty. What do you mean by that, children? Who pay direct taxes in India? Who pay direct taxes in India? Only those who are honest. India में direct tax कौन pay करता है? We are talking more about income tax because that is directly affecting you and me. It is basically the honest people are paying the tax. I am paying the tax not because I am very honest. I don't have an option. My salary come from the government, so tax cut करके आएगा. There are so many people who are earning 3 lakh rupees per month, 5 lakh rupees per month, business people, they are not paying that much tax what I am paying. What is the reason? They are not showing the income. I had given you that example of doctor. I had given you the example of film actors. They are earning much more. In crores they are earning. Where are they paying the tax? So income tax is a tax on honesty. जो person honest है, उसको tax भरना पड़ेगा. So those who are dishonest, they know how to avoid the tax. They are clever. Even today it is happening. Especially a country like India, where maximum collection or maximum transaction is happening in terms of cash. We know that here most of the transactions are in terms of cash. That is the reason. Then they go, direct taxes are inconvenient. You are very young children, like very innocent children. Once you start paying, in our college case, many of your parents may not be paying the tax. Okay, when we all pay the tax, it is so complicated. It is so inconvenient. Abhi to thoda better hai. Why? Online hai. Abhi to online hai. Pehla kya tha? July 31st was the last date to file the income tax return. There are 2 stages. Before 31st of March, we have to pay the tax. That is easy because salary se cut ho jayega. Then 31st of July, government is giving the time to file the return. There is a paper. You know, I told you that paper is known as Saral. Yeah, you know, contradiction is देखो. इसका नाम है सरल. हिंदी में सरल का मीनिंग है सिंपल. लेकिन सीधा उल्टा है वो. That is such a misnomer it is. पहले तो इतना डिफिकल्ट था वो देखकर ही लोग डर कर टैक्स नहीं भरता था पहले. बाद में उसको नया नाम दिया सरल करके थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई किया. But even then it is difficult. So 31st July the earlier. अभी तो extend किया है. I am talking about normal period. And that was also, it was to be submitted physically. The form has to be submitted physically. आपको मालूम है किधर submit करने का था BKC में. Bandra Kurla complex में income tax का बड़ा building है. And if you go towards the last week, serpentine queue will be there. You will have to go and stand hours together. And it was really inconvenient. Abhi to very comfortable hai. Ghar mein baith kar online you can pay. But otherwise it was inconvenient. So when the government is asking the people to pay the tax, they also have to see that it should not create inconvenience. Chutti lo, udhar jakar gada raho. Though, you know, 2 hours, 3 hours, we used to send the students. They will go and stand there in the queue. So I told you, but as the technology improves, now the things are improving. But generally, this is the problem of direct taxes. Similarly, capital gain. Calculating the capital gain is a hell of an affair. Because you have to calculate the capital gain. I told you, your grandfather has bought the property, say for 40,000. Today you are getting 40 lakh. So there is a difference of around 35 lakhs plus, 39 lakhs plus का difference आता है. So उसका कैसा tax देगा? उसके लिए there is an indexation rule. मैडम ये सब किसको मालूम है? Naturally ये सब CA के पास जाना पड़ेगा, उसको पैसा देना पड़ेगा, XYZ. So naturally ये सब देखकर India में people never used to pay income tax or capital gain tax. अभी तो I told you story is different. Today your Aadhaar card is linked with the income tax domain. So whatever you are doing, everything is getting recorded. And now people are finding it little easy because it is online. Earlier, direct taxes was highly inconvenient. Then they got this, you will have to tell me. Direct taxes affect the willingness and ability to work and save. This is the main thing. As the young people, you have to give me the answer. Why does income tax affect the ability to work and save? So क्या बोला? Salary से cut करता है. My point is that, but how it is affecting your ability to work? It discourages the people to work. इंडिया में मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, यू आस्क द मेन क्वेश्चन, गवर्नमेंट में काम करने के लिए बहुत सारे लोग, यंग पीपल लाइक यू आर नॉट रेडी, बिकॉज जो इनकम मिलता है 30% टैक्स में जाता है. हु इज इंटरेस्टेड टू वर्क? Whereas you will ask मैडम प्राइवेट में भी 100% प्राइवेट को भी देना पड़ेगा, लेकिन प्राइवेट लोग क्या करते हैं? They are giving lot of other perks, PERKS. For example, they will give you excellent canteen facilities देगा. Young boys, girls also, if the chance gets, go and see BKC, Bandra Kurla complex में. You can see that, you know, just by skyscrapers, buildings, IDBI का building है, नबार्ड का building है, okay, NSE, BSE, XYZ, इतना सारा building है उधर. Bank of America, Bank of India, बड़ा building है, SEBI का. Why did I say that? Every one building is having excellent canteen facilities. Okay, NABARD means National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. NABARD का इतना बड़ा building है. I have been there. So there is an excellent canteen, you know, and you will have, the person who is working there has to pay 20 rupees for the lunch, and the lunch is 5-course lunch. Matlab you will be given the beginning main, you will be given starter, then there will be 5 to 6 items, all with excellent quality, and ice cream every day. They are paying 20 rupees, employees. That we were the guests, so we were given free. Employees ke liye, what is the reason? It's a subsidized canteen. So then people are then evening, there is the tea and the snacks. So NABARD is, of course, it's a government organization. But if this is the story of NABARD, there are private companies, you know, they just give anything what the employees likes, so that they don't have to pay the tax. ये सब थोड़ा similarly आपको देने के लिए quotas देगा, so that आपके लिए वो रेंट बेचा सकता है. आपका पेट्रोल का चार्जेस देगा. So when you are having the vehicle, they will give you 100 liter petrol. अभी का जमाने में 100 liter petrol is too much, because 1 liter is costing around 110 rupees. 100 liter means it's more than, you know, the 10,000 rupees you are getting the benefit. So ये सब देखकर they encourages the people to work. लेकिन गवर्नमेंट में इंटरेस्ट है नहीं. Suppose that I am an excellent teacher, another teacher is an ordinary teacher. ऐसा ही time pass करता है. Okay, both are getting the same salary. So naturally there is no inclination to work. Private में ऐसा नहीं है. Those who are working excellently, they will be paid very well, so that people will be motivated to work. Always you remember. And very, that's because you are innocent. That's the reason I am giving you more and more example. That should encourage you to join good organization tomorrow. Next time, whenever you are going to departmental store, Chembur में RS Money से start करके D-Mart, नहीं तो you know Pantaloon का, Reliance Fresh, any departmental store आप जाइए, you can see that most of the people in the line to pay the you know bill, they all will be showing one coupon. Next time आप देखो, I'm not talking about the credit card or debit card. एक coupon देगा. Sodaco का that coupon. That coupon is given by whom? Given by the private company. All the private company, all the employees को वो Sodaco को coupon देता है. And वो coupon मतलब वो क्या है मैडम? Suppose that I am a clerk. I joined as a clerk. मेरे लिए 3,000 rupees का coupon देगा every month, so that I can use that coupon for buying vegetables, grocery, departmental store में. Okay, I am joined as a manager. मेरे लिए 15,000 का कूपन देगा. Okay, suppose 1 month I am not using it. Next month I can carry forward. I can go to the hotel, I can go to the theater, wherever I am using you. Next time you just see that. All the private company people, they will open their wallet and they will be giving their coupon. So this is a big encouragement. Government employee, nothing we are getting. And in addition, we are paying the tax as the #1 candidate. So you get demotivated. This is one point of the story. Another story is more demotivating. I told you, you are working in India. You are earning 40,000, 50,000 salary. God's grace. Okay, 50,000 salary means 6 lakh rupees per year. Okay, 6 lakh rupees means 2.5 lakh tak no tax. 6 lakh minus 2.5, 3.5 lakhs. उसके ऊपर आपको 20% टैक्स देना पड़ेगा. अलग अलग स्लैब है. So 3.50 into 20, approximately it comes around 60,000 rupees tax. Monthly divide करने पर 5,000 रुपया टैक्स में जाता है. 60,000 divided by 12. Okay, so you are very unhappy. Your friend has gone to Gulf. He is working as a driver only. Okay, or he is working as an accountant. Let us take that manner. He is getting 2 lakh rupees per month. Gulf men, that is very common. 2 lakh rupees per month means annual salary is 24 lakh. India में होने पर 24 lakhs के लिए कितना टैक्स देने का है? 30%. 24 into 30 divided by 100. It comes around 70-75,000 plus. Whereas in Gulf country, how much is in Saudi Arabia? उसको कितना टैक्स देना पड़ेगा? 0 tax. Because Gulf does not take the tax only, I told you. Only Muscat is imposing 3% tax. So what is similarly African countries who got a job in, Johannesburg, or you got a job in Nigeria. So many Indians are working. 0 is the tax. So you are motivated. Madam, अच्छा तरह काम करेगा. पैसा तो I can send it to the country. I can save the money. इधर इंडिया में मरकर काम करो, आप टैक्स देकर ही आप टायर्ड हो जाएगा. So this is the problem of direct taxes. You will ask, madam, I told America में भी same story है, but the only issue is America में income is more. When your income is more, you can pay the tax, and the benefits are also, government is providing a lot of benefits to the society, so people feel like paying the tax. So direct tax is always affecting the willingness and ability to work and save. Then next one is, it is affecting the investment. I already told you, suppose that 20,000 rupees tax every month I am paying. मेरा 20,000 का investment कम होता है. मैं दूसरा country में use tax ही नहीं है. I can save 20,000 every month. So this is affecting my investment. This is affecting my ability to save and work and save. And I told the biggest discouragement is, especially government employees, we are so discouraged because it's a tax on your honesty. आपके सामने, I told you, in my own building, there are so many big shots. They are having so much income, we cannot define that income only. All the payment will be made in cash. Tax देगा ही नहीं. Whereas we are the middle class people who are paying the maximum tax. So this is a real punishment. This is a problem of direct taxes. Nothing can be done. Now we are talking about the merit of indirect taxes. Indirect taxes का example, what I want to start with? What are the examples? You cannot forget it. Service tax, you are right. 1 minute. चाहिए पर लिखेगा नहीं. 1 minute. Service tax, custom duty, GST. अभी याद आया. GST मेमोरी थोड़ा कम है. बादाम खाओ. हाँ. Yes, service tax, GST, custom duty, these are all indirect taxes. And I told indirect tax means it is imposed on X, paid by Y. The tax is always shifted. Indirect tax, it's always getting shifted. X will not pay, it is always paid by Y. Now, what are the advantages of indirect tax? It is convenient. That is the biggest advantage of indirect tax. I am telling you, all of you and myself, we are all paying indirect tax. But you are not even aware. Why you are not aware? Direct tax pay करने का time मेरे जैसा लोग रोएगा. Because we know that it is pinching. Whereas indirect tax are very convenient. आपको मालूम भी नहीं आप tax pay करते हैं. एक example बोलो. Any example? Which one? the products which you are buying, give the example. Don't give a blanket general statement. Best example is recharge. हर महीने में रिचार्ज नहीं तो 89 डेज में रिचार्ज के लिए जाता है. अब थोड़ी देखता है इसमें टैक्स कितने है, इसमें टॉक टाइम कितने है. We are not checking. That shopkeeper says that 489 पे करो, नहीं तो ऑनलाइन में 489 पे करते हैं, 449 पे करते हैं. You get the talk time. Why you are not aware? Indirect taxes are inside the price. It is inside the price. Price के अंदर है. So nobody, if you are going and sitting in Sadhguru Hotel and having a small party with your friends, the shopkeeper is coming and giving the bill of 1500. Okay, you are not that much disturbed because you know that Sadhguru mein jaane ka to it is expensive. I will carry that money and you pay the 1500 and coming out. वो 1500 के अंदर बिल देखने पर मालूम पड़ेगा. GST को डिवाइड करके देगा, सर्विस टैक्स को डिवाइड करके कोई देखेगा नहीं. Because you have gone to enjoy your birthday. You are not sitting there to bifurcate the tax. So it is very convenient. Taxpayer is not even aware that he is paying the tax. I told you, madam, भी तो घर में तो एक नया टीवी लेने का है. हाँ, right. So अभी तो थोड़ा कम है. पहले मुंबई में एक extra tax भी था. अभी that has been removed. That is known as octroi. आपने सुना होगा? Octroi. Octroi was special only to Maharashtra. Maharashtra, Gujarat वगैरह कलेक्ट करता था, अभी बंद हुआ. What is octroi, children? Any commodity which is produced outside Maharashtra, when it is touching the Maharashtra border, you have to pay a local tax. That is known as octroi. Say for example, you take the case of any product which is not produced in India. Samsung, not produced in Maharashtra. Samsung का production is happening in Noida. Okay, Delhi में उसका production होता है. Delhi से Samsung का mobile होने दो, TV होने दो. It is coming to Maharashtra. The moment the border touch करेगा, there you will have to pay the octroi. At the same time, I am staying in Kerala. I am also buying the Samsung mobile. And Kerala में भी Delhi से Samsung का product Kerala आता है. उधर there is no octroi. Kerala does not collect octroi. So ultimately, what is the difference in the price? Mumbai वाला Samsung mobile को ज़्यादा price देता है because of this octroi. और कंपनी किसके सिर पर डालेगा? कंपनी कस्टमर के सिर पर डालेगा. So मुंबई में उसका प्राइस इंक्रीज है, केरला में वही प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस कम है. This is the problem of indirect tax. Sometimes state to state it is different, and or state to state they are adding the tax. So the advantage in the sense, only thing people will not be knowing. That's the advantage. It is also a poison only. Only thing, it is just like some ladies who are so sweet in the talk, but they will literally add poison. But आपको मालूम भी नहीं पड़ेगा इतना sweet tongue से बात करता है. Indirect tax is also like that only. मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा you are paying. बार्बर का शॉप में जाकर बैठो, बार्बर cut my hair, he is cutting. Even then you are paying when the bill comes, especially in the beauty parlors and all. Local barber so he is collecting the cash. So the problem doesn't arise. When you go to beauty parlor, 18% is the tax they are imposing. So, it is convenient. The reason I told you, you are not aware. मेरे लिए something inconvenient होगा जब मेरे को मालूम पड़ेगा. जब तक मालूम नहीं पड़ता, it is convenient. Next up, देखो, and we are discussing the advantages. Difficult to evade. What do you mean by evade? Tax नहीं भरने का. That is the meaning of evade. Difficult to evade. That means everybody has to pay the tax. Evade means, not to pay. That is the meaning of the term evade. Avoid the tax. Evade means avoid the tax. Difficult to evade means everyone has to pay the tax. Income tax का केस में आपने देखा 90% people are avoiding the tax. Okay, but in the case of indirect tax, you cannot avoid. Everyone in India, including the small child, All are paying the indirect tax. That is the speciality of indirect tax. Everybody will be paying them. So that government का revenue ज़्यादा होगा. Direct tax में government का revenue कम है, because many are avoiding. But in this case, all are paying the tax. I told you, small children, when they are buying a dress, when they are buying a toy, everybody is paying. So nobody can avoid of indirect tax. One or two you will be paying. Then this you are very elastic. The earlier one I had discussed, changing. Then equitable. Okay, what do you mean by equitable? Again, same thing. Equitable means poor ke upar, but this is not 100% equitable. Why it is equitable? Rich and poor are paying the tax. Rich and poor are paying. Don't think that poor ko kam hai, rich ko zyada hai. 18% GST sabke liye ek hi hai. But it is equitable in the sense rich and poor both are paying. In the case of direct taxes, only the middle class is paying. Rich won't pay only. Only the middle class is paying that. Then, सबसे बड़ा point is this, the last point. Great coverage. That's the main point you have to remember. Maximum people, 132 crore plus population of India, maximum coverage is done by indirect tax. I am asking a general, general knowledge question. Approximately how many % of Indians will be paying income tax? Think and give the answer. Approximately how many percentage of Indians are paying income tax? This is my question. 70. I did not say anything. Girls, make an attempt. No, उसमें क्या problem है? Wrong आने पर wrong है. 52. That's what I heard. Girls said 52, boys said 70. बाकी लोगों का कुछ opinion है? 20. Means everybody का minimum आपने जो cut off दिया है 20-25%. Okay. For your information, hardly 3% of Indians pay income tax. Hardly 3% of Indians pay income tax. अभी latest rule के अनुसार maximum 5% pay करता होगा. Madam ऐसा कैसा बोलते हैं आप? What is the reason? Simple reason. There are two reasons. One reason is majority do not have the income above 2,50,000. Who is paying income tax? Those income which is above 2,50,000. So majority do not have taxable income. Point number one. Some are having very high taxable income. They will not pay the tax also. They are evading the tax. They are evading the tax. I had given you the example. All your top celebrities. अब बात करते हैं ना सलीम सचिन तेंदुलकर को मैडम एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट में आने पर 200 करोड़ मिलता है बराबर. He is getting 200 crore for one advertisement. 200 crore का टैक्स कितना है? 30% plus 3% surcharge. 33% है. 200 crore का 33% means almost 66 crore जाएगा. Do you think he will pay? He will not pay. He was the one who has imported the costly car. You are remembering? He has been gifted a very costly car, Ferrari or something. He has been gifted. And वो costly car का duty is amounting to lakhs. Sachin Tendulkar के लिए it is a peanut, but he did not pay. So what I am telling is, no, the higher the people, the richer, higher the level of celebrity, lower they will be paying the tax. So what is happening is very few people, that is the main reason this, cash circulation is very high in the cities like Mumbai. Don't think only in Mumbai cash is getting circulated. Punjab, Kerala, even today Kerala may more than 80% transactions are through cash. All the shopkeepers, they will be accepting cash. All the major transactions through the cash. What's the reason? When you are paying everything through the cash, you want to avoid the tax. Because cash transaction, at that time reflecting nahi hoga. I told you I am not talking about the current period. Now everything is getting reflected. Whereas when you pay the check, when you use your credit card, now everything is getting reflected. Suppose that, your cousin is there, who got the habit of going out of India every year. Okay, every year he wants to go out of India. To be some people like that. But the problem is when you are spending more than 2 lakh rupees in terms of dollar or in terms of pound sterling, naturally income tax will catch hold of you. Okay, आप family के साथ बाहर गया, हर साल 4 लाख रुपया spend करता है, then you will get the notice from income tax. They won't do anything. You will have to show from where did you get this 4 lakh. आपका account में इतना पैसा किधर से आया? Okay, so what I am telling is direct tax में the rule ही अलग है. Indirect tax में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Almost everybody, barber is also paying indirect tax. Rickshaw driver is also paying indirect tax. एक रिक्शा ड्राइवर को पूछो, उसको मालूम भी नहीं है वो कौन सा टैक्स पे करता है करके. But he is also paying. So much coverage is that of indirect tax. That is the advantage of indirect tax. Why I did not cover the demerit of indirect tax is, what is the demerit of indirect tax? Demerit of indirect tax is the merit of direct tax. Direct tax का जो merit है, that is the demerit of indirect tax. And आपके लिए तो MCQ है, so you don't have to study that in detail. That's the reason I did not cover that. Okay, so in the next class we will be dealing with, shifting, impact, incidents, new things we will learn. Next year you will be having the subject income tax, indirect tax. BCom students के लिए taxation is a compulsory paper. You will be learning a lot. Now you will be understanding why the CA people are paid very heavily, because they are doing all type of tax calculations. That's why they are paid heavily. Today, why the attendance is less? सुना नहीं, कौन सा टेस्ट है?